Hey pals, it's that Jess here, and I hope you're all doing very well. As you can tell, I am barefaced, which can only mean one thing. This is a makeup video, yay! Hence the really weird angle, so I'm sorry if you're very wonky. You're currently propped up on a Powerpuff Funko Pop, and I'm using my Animal Crossing Switch box to put my mirror on. We only do professional in this house. I am no expert in makeup. I have no technique. I put too much eyeshadow on up to here and then have to get to my blender and blend it away. I'm very flitty. I put my makeup here and then I'll do my eyes and go, actually I can put more blush on, so it's very all over the place. But I personally like to watch makeup videos, not so much for the technique but for like the eyeshadow combinations and how you do your, like, where you put your blush, kind of those things. I like to take little bits from people's own tutorials and make it my own. So I thought, why don't I do that? Because I also find makeup videos very relaxing to watch, and I just enjoy them. I hope you enjoy them as well. I will say is I don't know what I'm going to name this video yet. I've not decided. That's future Jessica's job. I'm not dealing with that right now. So it could be along the lines of rainbow makeup, kawaii makeup, pastel makeup. I don't know yet, but what I will say is I know a lot of people would have a very clear vision of what that means, and this might not meet it. And I have been told this a few times when I've done like pastel makeup that that's not pastel. I'm sorry, my normal makeup is very pink, very colourful and very glittery. Right, so I shall start doing my makeup now. I have waffled on long enough. Right, so I won't show you these first steps because they're quite basic and my technique is questionable. Oops. So I will curl my lashes. These are just some standard eyelash colours that you get anywhere, and then I will do my foundation, and this is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation in F1. A lot of the time I won't actually wear foundation. I will just use concealer to do under eyes and any clear spots I have, which I'll do on top of this foundation today. But I thought I'd do foundation just because let's go the whole hog. If I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup video, I might as well stick in the foundation, but it's not something I do all the time because my skin gets angry and I just can't be bothered. That is the truth, my dudes. Right, so foundation and concealer are on. I am now an even egg. Although I did realise that I didn't moisturise. So now that we've done the base, we are now going to go on to the next most boring part, which is the eyebrows. And I did conceal around the ends of my eyebrows because I can't bother to sort them out. I'm just being honest with you guys. So to do my eyebrows, I use the Revolution My Sign Virgo eyeshadow palette, which I did just buy because it said Virgo and I'm zodiac trash, to put it bluntly. So I just use the powder that is actually for eyebrows. I'm not being a weirdo and just using eyeshadow. It is brow powder. I actually prefer the pencils, but I've run out of that, and why would I spend money on something I prefer when I can just use something I don't like but I have? I'm joking, I do like it, I'm just rubbish at application of powder. I wish I could do funky coloured brows, like pink or purple or something. But my hair is like a browny gingery red mess at the minute. It always is, and I cannot bleach my hair, so I am destined for boring hair my whole life. It makes me sad, but I won't think about it too much because otherwise I'll cry. That looks like a eyebrow. And we have got two eyebrows. I'm happy considering I've not done makeup in 2 weeks. I was scared I was going to forget how to do it. Oopsies, but I appear to be doing alright if we just forget the moisturiser mishap. Next we go into blush, and I'm using the Natural Collection one, which I always use. I don't think it's the right colour for me. I think it's a bit too peachy. I need something a bit more cool toned pink. But is the only one I have. But what I will say is I used to do it like here, and I still do occasionally, but I've started doing it a bit more on the front. I'm trying to like change it up a bit and try and be a bit more like out there, because I get very like, I stay very safe with my makeup. I just pick like right here at the front and like work it outwards. I used to do it like as like a contour, not like a contour, but like that was the goal, and now the goal has changed. And blush is one of those things that I will come back to several times during my makeup, because like I get too scared to go too intense at the start, and then once my eyeshadow and eyeliner are on, I'm like, yeah, I can add more colour to my cheeks. I get scared of looking like a clown, because I don't think that look suits me. Right, I think that is blush done for now. I do not want to go overboard. Now the highlighter I'm using, I actually don't recommend this brand because they're not cruelty free. I picked it up without even like thinking, but I really want to find a product like this but done by another brand. I think like Elf and someone else does it. This is the Rimmel Jelly Highlighter Illuminator in the shade Shifty Shimmer, and it is like a jelly that you just put on your cheeks. And I love it because it's super glittery. I love it because it's super glittery and pink and just amazing, but I do not recommend the brand. I'm sorry, I don't even know if they do this product anymore. I don't think it was well received by a lot of people, but I love it. I didn't at the start because I was like, how do I use it? But I figured it out and I love it. I just want to find one by a brand that doesn't test on animals, which I think is like reasonable. It's not a lot to ask for, but I just tap it on and then rub it in once I've got like a decent amount on. I like a lot of highlighter. I like to be a shiny disco ball. It makes me happy. That's the thing, I don't know if I do makeup that suits my face, but I do makeup that makes the soul happy. Now I will also take this like under the arch of my eyebrow. I will normally have to do this again after my eyeshadow because it gets everywhere. You will realise how messy I am. It will get everywhere. So you can kind of see that shimmer. The trouble is I use natural lighting. Like, I've got a massive window. It takes up the whole like, width of my room. And sometimes you can't actually see the colours that are on my face. So I do try to make them a bit bolder for the camera so that you can actually see what it should look like in real life. And here I am touching up my blush, even though I said I would have. It happens. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So now my eyeshadow changes every like time I do it. It's normally the same like pink, glitter, pastel, rainbow kind of look, but the palettes will change. So I really love the Colourpop Sailor Moon palette, as well as the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. So I'll probably use a mixture of that, because I'll probably do a pink glittery look today with maybe just one other colour. That seems to be my go-to. Right, so that's the Sailor Moon palette, which I love. Right, and that's the Life's a Festival palette, which is well loved. As you can see, that is my favourite shade along with that one. I'm going to take the Moon Castle colour from the Sailor Moon palette, which is just like a nude pink colour. So that's that for now. So next I'm actually going to change my brush and change to like a blendery brush. And I'm going to use the Love shade from the Sailor Moon palette, which is just like a shimmery reddy pinky colour, which I know you shouldn't use shimmers in the creases, but like I do not abide to those rules. And I'm just going to put that in the crease and blend it inwards, or try to, that is the aim. I've got swatch pinks. I normally don't swatch, but we're swatching. Right, this is the pink from Life's a Festival. So it's like a bright pink. And then we're going to use the Tuxedo Rose, which is like a corally pink from the Sailor Moon one. And we're going to see if that's what I'm working with. What are we thinking? I actually think I will use the Too Faced pink. This one I'm kind of just tapping on because I want it to be like quite pigmented. And this one I'm kind of taking like all over the bottom of it, so like the crease is only the dark one and then all the bottom lid is the pink. That's the plan anyway, whether it's executed or not. Then we're going back in with the blendery one. I wipe it on my hands because I do not own many makeup brushes. And we try to blend it all together. Right, so what I've done is I put a neutral base colour on. I put a dark reddy pink in the crease and I've done a bright pink in the middle. That is where we have got to. It sounded more complicated when I was actually doing it. So I'm taking this one here and I'm actually just using my pinky, even though I use my pinky to swatch. Ooh. But I'm just using my pinky to apply that. And yes, I'm now using the viewfinder. It was becoming too multitasking using my mirror. Right, so that is like where we are up to now. So I'm actually going to take the pink from the Lighter Festival palette, the bright pink, just slightly under my eye, but on like this half of my eye, because we will glitter up the inner side. Just because it's meant to make your eyes look a little bit brighter. I know for a lot of like K-pop girl groups they have like gems and stuff, which I'm looking into because I love that look and I really want to do that, but for now we will use my glitter eyeliner. I'm actually just going to extend this one as well because it looks a little bit sad. So now we'll go on to eyeliner. Right, so I do my eyeliner quite big and we'll see how this goes. I hope you're enjoying whatever music I've decided to overlay over this. And we've applied some eyeliner. Yay! Right, so the next and last eye product we use is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Grind. It's just like this pink, almost white glitter, and it is an eyeliner but not like the type to do the flickies. Oh no, it's just like a eyeliner applicator, but you just put like glitter wherever you feel like putting. So it's like a 10 out of 10 product for me. So I tend to put it in the inner corners underneath my eye. Oh wait, I've still got to do mascara. Oh man. I normally do, wait. Hold up guys. I forgot mascara exists. And I do mascara before I do the glitter. I'm sorry. Actually doing it in order. The mascara I'm going to be using is the Barry M Showgirl mascara. I actually really love Barry M mascara. It's really the only mascara I will use. I just really like it. Plus they're all good for animals and stuff, you know, like not actually to put on animals. But they're good for being cruelty free, and I believe a lot of their products are vegan as well. I'm not vegan, but I will try to like buy a vegan product if I can. Yes. And that is mascara done. Sometimes I put a lot of mascara on, but that's like only if I'm accepting the fact that it's going to take me ages to take my makeup off, and I'm not accepting that fact today, so just a simple coat. That's fine. And now we can go on to the glitter eyeliner, which I said I put on the inner corner here. I tried to go like quite far out and just there, and then I will dab it on my cheeks as well and under my eyebrows. Occasionally in my eyebrows, but we're not doing that today. Mainly because it hangs around in my eyebrows for ages and I'm not vibing with that. Now under the eyebrows, try to avoid the fringe. Probably better if I move my fringe, but it's fine. That is looking like a lovely glittery masterpiece. Now just dab it on the cheeks. I do actually blend the cheek ones out because otherwise it is just random glitter blobs, which isn't my vibe. Right, so my normal lip look I go for, oh no, is like a red lip liner with like a deep burgundy lipstick. But today I'm going for like a pinky one, which is also what I've been going for recently when I'm not wearing lipstick for that long. So this is just a NYX soft matte lip cream in Prague. And I do like my darker lip colours. I think because I'm pale, I can't really wear like pastels as much as I'd like to. I've got one more lip product I want to do, and it's a lip gloss. And I'm not like the most biggest fan of lip gloss because it gets stuck to everything. But like, there's obviously not enough glitter in this look, so I'm just using the Tanya Burr lip gloss in Candy Frost. I believe this one actually wasn't available to purchase. It was one that I got in like a beauty advent calendar. But I just like to take my lip gloss and dab it in the centre of my lips, like that. And that just makes it like more interesting. And that is my finished makeup look. So this is pretty much what I do most days. The only thing that changes is the lip colour, but it's normally around the same like darkish tone, so it's either like a dark pink or a dark red. And then the eyeshadow changes very slightly. I might include a yellow or a purple or something, but this is literally it. Normally I would set it with a setting spray. This one is the Hyaluronic Fix from Revolution, but because I won't actually be wearing makeup for that long today, I'm not gonna waste it. There's literally no need to use it unless like I want to keep it on for longer, which I don't. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's been like quite a casual video. As I said, I'm not an expert in makeup. I don't claim to be. I'm nowhere near that, but I enjoy looking at what people do for their everyday makeup. I like to use it to get some tips and just to like get some ideas. So I hope you've enjoyed this, whether you wanted to actually look for new makeup ideas or whether you just wanted a chill video, which is absolutely fine. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. Yeah.